All right, guys, so we came out here yesterday morning and fished from about daylight until about 11 o'clock in the morning. And quite frankly, we got our butts handed to us. So much so that it's probably not worthy of a video. So today is September the 5th. It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're going to try it again. We've got a chance of a light rain pretty much the rest of the day, but nothing real threatening. Hopefully I've got the GoPro wrapped up enough so it's safe. Sarge is putting out 6 boards. We're going to have frozen cut shad on 2, frozen cut bluegill on 2, and chicken breast on 2. All in varying lengths, I'm guessing from 6 to 10 feet-ish.
Yeah.
6 to 10, 6 to 12 feet. And we're going to pull our route backwards. We usually start down at the dam and work our way up. We're going to start it up in the creek and work our way back to the dam. Hopefully we can actually do some good today, catch some fish, and maybe we can stick those 2 little fish that we caught yesterday, which may have weighed 4 pounds a piece. Maybe we can plug those into this video somewhere if this one's successful. But anyway, here we go. We'll try not to get too wet, try to catch some fish, and we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Didn't look as cheap to me.
Plus, ain't the 100-mile-an-hour one red and black, like real loud looking?
And that was one thing that did turn me off. It had a big 100 right here. Went this way, red. This thing kind of cheap to me. Gaudy.
Oh, we got a fish.
Fish on. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Fish on.
Fish on the bluegill.
You tell me when you need me.
I'll tell you what, you
break this boat.
concentrate on that. And I'll see what I've got here. Pretty good fish. Not bad. Or is there any chance you can hand me that net? Get out of the motor. Bring it up here. Pretty good fish, good. It's all wrapped up.
Once you activate it.
Huh? Yeah, it's gonna be tough while we're fishing. Guys, 15. Oh, yeah, now he's gonna be stupid. 15 minutes into the pool. Got this fine little girl here. Got a little mouth that says it's a female.
Sorry, I was in the background.
That's okay, huh? 17 pounds. What'd you call it?
I
Seven.
said 15 to 17.
17 pounder to start the day, boys. I'm glad we came.
Good fish.
I'm always glad we came.
Oh, yeah.
But this makes it a little more glad or
Little redemption from yesterday. Anyway.
She's ready.
The camera's still rolling.
Yep. Good chick.
Alright.
Grab that coat.
There you go.
Another good fish.
Oh, like
Ready?
16.
Alright.
Was that in the way? 16, 16, 16.
$12 and a half.
Oh,
12 and a half.
On what?
Chicken.
chicken.
Heck, they can get one on the beach.
Laura, I don't know if I got hung up or if that's a fish. Right here. Here. Right here. Right here. Fish.
This one?
Reel down. You feel him?
Uh-huh.
Alright, pick it up. Keep pinching on him. Come up to the back of the boat there. Here, hold the net for a second. I want to get him right here on the side. Okay, there you go. Now, sit back. Get down in the boat there. Yeah, he's all yours. One more time. Good job. Got him. You caught that one right in the mouth.
I keep on embarrassing myself with the fishing pole going into my hoodie.
Do what?
I keep on embarrassing myself with the fishing pole going into my hoodie. Alrighty.
Just because.
Can I still hold him?
Yep.
Ooh, look at these teethers. Wow.
You want to hold the scale?
Maybe.
5.
Ooh. Oh, fish line. Oh, I can't see. It keeps on.
About 5 and a half.
5.5. I called it.
What'd you say anyway?
I said 5.
You did? There you go.
And I got fish line.
You got this line? Ooh. Little 5.5 pounder on bluegill.
Brogan.
Let's let him go.
Good job.
Thank you.
What?
Oh, fish.
Yep.
Straight down there.
Mm-hmm.
Straight at the boat. Oh, get out of there. Got me neat. I don't know if I just stuck through that and give him slack. I did give him slack. I wish he pried a little bit and get some of that sap out of it. Sap over just now.
Okay. Here you go.
Put him in the boat before he flops out of there.
Alright.
Hey. There he is.
Take this bit home. 11 pounds.
That's 11 pounds.
Oh,
Is that 11?
don't have any fish that one.
Right, go there. If we hook one on one of these planers, whoever's here on that end, the other person needs to bring that balloon on that side end, don't you think?
Which way they're going.
I think they're catching a fish right there.
Let me pull this big one, put it back in. Big Ned.
About time. First fish all morning. What's that? 37 this year, this spring we caught one.
37?
Yeah, there's 50. First fish the other day. 3 or 4 pound probably, you think?
Yeah.
Caught him on shad.
Caught him on some chad. Oh shit. Bring it in. That's very big.
That ain't gonna work.
So what you got for that?
Number 2 caught on chicken. About exactly the same as the other one.
Yep.
3 or 4 pounder.
Get a picture. We got a picture of everything else, I guess. Ain't gonna hurt, I guess.
Alright guys, we're going to call this one a trip. come out, we fished 7:03, so we fished 4 hours. 4 hours, 4 fish, so we didn't kill it, but it was pretty good afternoon. We only got 2 yesterday. We probably won't make a video out of that, but we may add those 2 fish to this video. Caught 2 today on chicken and 2 on bluegill. I can't remember what we caught them on yesterday. Maybe we said in the video, I can't remember.
One of each.
One of
It
each,
was one of each. Yeah.
bluegill and chicken. But anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Pretty good afternoon. Turned out to be a beautiful evening. And we'll see you on the next one.
Ding.